Last time when we left off, we had created a blog, but we did not implement the search bar. So in this video, we'll be doing that. So if you didn't watch the last video, I will leave the link in the description. So we have our search bar appearing in the navigation, and it's a model. It's displayed in a model. So it will be kind of difficult to implement this search bar without customizing our navigation completely. So for this, we will need a navigation worker to edit this navigation. So what we are going to first do is we are going to first get this navigation model model as we have it in our template. So we are going to get it and we add it in our search form. So let's start by doing that. So our search model must be in the header. So we need to get this and add it in the search form. So let's do that. We go to the header, so we copy this, and we add it here. So what we are going to do is we are going to add this icon in the navigation. So to do this, we are going to use a custom navigation worker. So I already have the code for this, for the navigation worker. If I'm to copy and paste this, so let's first get this. We are going to modify on this. So let's put it here. So let's add it here. So here is my navigation worker. If we can change this to varsity. Then we try to remove this. Then, so this is our navigation worker, and we are going to know more about this navigation worker. You can check out the WordPress codex, the documentation, the official documentation of WordPress. You'll get to know so what this navigation worker does. Pretty much it extends the navigation worker menu, and it allows us to customize the elements in our navigation. Let's say we want to add our own classes. We want to add our own IDs. We want to change the different attributes on our link. So this navigation worker helps us do that. So what we are going to do is we are going to go where we have our, so here we have, here we have our navigation menu. So what we are going to do, we are going to just add another element, then this one is, we call it the worker. So in this we initialize the class, we extended this class, this child class we extended from the worker nav menu. So this we extend it here. So what we are going to do is, so if you try to go back and refresh this, expected ID on line 119. So let's go where that is. This is 1119. This is it. So let me first check. So what we had, so the problem was we had forgot to copy to add the termination here, so it was taking this as another variable, that is that it was taking this as one statement, so I didn't bring it with this termination. So if we can go back, the error is fixed. So let's proceed. So what we are going to do is we are going to do this in a way. So our navigation, this element is font awesome icon, so we can't just add the word, we can't just type the text and it appears. So well, the only thing I devised that we are going to use is we are going to create we are going to get this search icon, because it's not good to hard code it in the navigation worker. So because you might change your mind and you want to use another icon, so you can't go back to the code all the time. So what I had devised that we are going to do is we are going to get this search icon name. Then we go to our menu, which is here. So we create a custom link, and we call this the item. We call it this search element. So then we add hashtag here, then we add this to our menu, then we publish. Apparently it appears as fa-search. What we are going to do to change that is that we are going to go where we have our search title in the worker and we modify it. So you must look in this navigation worker where our list element is created and where we apply the filters for the search title. So if I'm to look, we go here to apply filters. So here we have our search title. So we must modify this according to the text in the link. So if I'm to create a new element here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put this in a new variable, so I can call it link text. So it doesn't matter what you call it. It's better that you call it link title. Let's call it link title. Hey, sorry. This is supposed to be link title. Then we add this. So this is what we are going to change. So to change this, you can say that new link title, what we are going to pass here. So we are going to say if the link title is equal to this, what we have added here, this if it's for dash search, sorry, this is supposed to be search, if it's that, what we are going to do is that we are going to change the link text to, so we are going to add this link element. So it's a simple trick right here what we are going to use. So we are going to add this, so don't worry. So this one, so if it's the icon, we use this. So if it's not the icon, we use the link text, your link title. So sorry about that. So this is our new link. So we didn't add, so we add this in the bracket. Then this is our link title. Then we pass it here. So this is what we are going to use as our link title. Then let's see if this is working. Oh my god. Then we have 119. We have a problem. Oh, 119. So let's see if we have any other problem. So if this is equal to this, then sorry about that. Yeah, here we have our link title, but the problem is that it can't launch the search model as here. So we have to find what is missing. So let's first look for that. Let's first fix that. Let's go here. So let's go back. Let's first look for our link title, our search link. So our search link contains the ID mu-search, which we don't have here. So which we don't have in our navigation. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add this ID on the link. Apparently it's on the link. Yeah, we must add this on the link if the icon is fa-search. So that's what we are going to do is, so let's do that. Let's first get this. So what we are going to do this time is that we are going to modify the attributes. So these are our different attributes that we have on the link. So what I'm going to do is to append, so we are going to append another attribute which is called, so these are all the attributes that are going to be applied on the link. So if you see here in our link tag, these attributes are created according to certain rules, then they are added to our link tag. So what we are going to do is we are going to do the same as they did here, is that we are going to add our ID attribute if our link title, so if our link title is equal to far, then that's dash, sorry, this is search, I don't know what's happening to me, but then so this is, so if it's this, so we will create a new attribute. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a space in these attributes as to prevent them from attaching themselves to each other. So we need to leave a certain space here. So we are going to do this. Then let's use single quote here. Don't want to use double quote because we are going to use it. So let's copy this directly to avoid any more errors. So let's do that. I don't know what's wrong. So then if it's not that, we leave this empty as always. So that's it. So let's first check if this is working. So sorry, we had not implemented the search form. So let's first call, because we have our search form in a separate file. So to call it here, so we must add the get search form, and this is it, get search form. So I don't know if this is the correct spelling, so let's see if this is working. So there we go. So our model is working. So but apparently it does not take us to search. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it work. So to make it work, we are going to add some values. So we are going to modify this search form. So to modify this search form is that we are going to go to the form. So where is the form? So here we have our form. Then we add the method. So our method is supposed to be get. Then we need to add the action on which page this is supposed to go. So our results will appear in the blog URL. So to get this, so we need to call a WordPress function called blogger info. So this is blogger info. Let's make sure that we get the correct spelling. So this is blogger info. Then so in the parameter you pass URL to get the URL. So we must make here our query name must be ace. So let's make this ace. So the rest we can leave the way as they are. So pretty much that's it for the search. So let's try to test this out. So if I'm to go here and I refresh this, so let's try to add a certain keyword. Let's say acorn. So we get a blanker page. We do not get the results. So this is our search page, and if we try to look to our search page, we don't have anything. But most of the time the search page is similar to our blogger page. So what is here is supposed to be here. So because we are supposed to have search results and their posts, and they must be listed according to our search. So we are going to get the same blog code. So we used last time, and we add this here. Then if we try to remove these spaces, then if we go back here, so if you try to search for a certain keyword like econ, so we get the search results that has economics. So let's experiment with other posts. Let's try out this. I don't know which word is this, but let's try to test it out. So let's just type it direct. So here we get the posts that have the word. So pretty much that's it. So thank you for watching my video. So if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. You make sure that you like the video if you like it. So, or leave any, if you didn't like it, you can comment. If you like it, you can comment. You can leave a comment if you want me to change anything, or to make or to make a suggestion. It might be in PHP, Python, or Django. So those are the most topics we are going to be handling on this channel. It might be Flutter, so it might be API. So you can leave a comment and we can create the tutorial according to your question. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.